Where you they go?
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
May you never know me in Jesus' name. May you never know anything about me in Jesus' name. Amen. My question now, where you they go?
Can I help you?
Okay, you can help me. I am the weapon fashioned against you for going to see Ebube. In fact, for your information, Ebube fiancé, boyfriend and husband to be in future, Chidi already knows your mission in this village, so he sent me to make sure you don't fulfill your mission. Yes, so you may go back. Hello? Hello? Hey, listen. Attentively. You see your chest, big. See my stomach, big. You can compare, so we can talk.
Get out of my way.
Or what will happen? No, get out of your way, or what will happen?
I will say this for the last time.
Okay.
Get out of my way.
And I will say this for the last time. Go back. If you want this head to remain on this neck, go back before I'm telling you cricket.
Okay, go back, man. Hey, Jesus! Feed Jesus! No, hey!
Sorry. You may go. Hey!
JD, come out here!
Our wife.
Our wife kill you there. Where's your wife? Are you mad? Eh? JD!
My baby.
Hold it then. Hold it! JD, let me ask you. Is relationship by force?
No, my love.
Thank you. So why are you going about embarrassing yourself, telling everybody that you're in a relationship with me? Why?
Baby, wait, let me ask you. Is it because of that boy? So it's because of that teacher that you are now insulting me? After everything me and you have gone through, after the whole of do you know how many pigs I sold because of you? Everything, your clothes, your hair, everything about you, I've been taking care of it for how many years now? It's because of this teacher now. Because of this teacher.
Did I ask you? Did I chook hand inside your pocket to collect the money? Everything you did for me, you did it out of your own will. Yes.
So you are now insulting me in front of my friend because of that boy.
This one?
Hey, baby.
Your friend. Is this who you are calling your friend? This one that does nothing but indulge in your stupidity.
Hey, baby, easy before I go change them for you. Which one be say? What do you mean?
What did you just say now?
I never change. I just thought.
What did you just say now? Who do you want to change it for? Are you okay? Are you mad?
I withdraw my statement.
You want to change it for my woman? Are you okay?
I withdraw. Chidi, I am not your woman. And I will never be your woman. In fact, there is nothing going on between us. You hear? And there is nothing that will ever go on between us.
Ajay.
Chidi, I am warning you. Stay away from Jordan. Because if you go and harass him again, if you try it, I will make sure I get all of you, including that other one. I will get all of you arrested.
Yeah.
Try it again. Harass Jordan and see what I will do to you.
Arrest what? You see? This is the same girl you were selling all your fat pig for. You were selecting the fat ones just to sell, to sustain this girl.
I won't be very careful. What's wrong with you? Do you know why she's saying this thing now? Do you know if she's saying it under duress? Do you know if she's under pressure?
You're right though. If that's the case, let's go and confront her and calm her pressure down.
Say nonsense. Do you know if they push her to come and say this, you will give a woman time to express herself. She just expressed. You're right.
Don't worry.
Stop doing that.
I understand you.
You have to respect yourself. In your life, in fact, till we die in this community, I don't want to ever see you talk to my woman like that. Say you want to do what?
Don't worry.
Nonsense.
Let's go before she go to that teacher's house, okay? Mama can stop here nose and calm her down. He says she's under pressure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mama, what is it now? Why are you harassing my friend?
So, Ebube, you have grown wings to shout at me.
Mama, I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting at you. I only asked you a question. What is your problem with Jordan?
He is a problem in your life. And that is a problem to me.
Mama, how? How is Jordan a problem in my life? Do you not know my life more than me?
Oh yes, I do. That is why I am ordering you to stop whatsoever you are doing with your teacher before you push children out of your way. Do you hear what I said?
I knew it. I knew all this is because of Chidi. Because you know what you will stand to lose if he doesn't marry me, Shebi?
I will not stand to lose anything. Rather, you are the one to lose.
Mama, I'm not losing anything. There is nothing I am losing. In fact, where I will lose something is if I don't end up with Jordan. That is where I will lose everything, including my life. So leave Jordan alone. Yes. I've said it. Leave him alone.
No problem. On a very good day, I will remind this word. Jordan or no Jordan. No problem.
My ring. My ring. Where's my ring? My ring. Where's my ring? My ring!
What do you mean by your ring, your ring, your ring?
It's a dream.
Ha. Just to buy you food now, you're already searching for rings. In a cheap auto mechanic. What do you mean by your rings?
I had a dream.
You had a dream? What type of dream is that one that you need rings?
Where's the food? Did you buy it?
See the food here. Why don't we go inside now? So maybe you sit on the bed and eat.
People don't sit on the bed to eat. They sleep on them.
Let's go and sleep on it now. You can go and lie on it. You can sleep and eat. Maybe I go play some adult play.
Which nonsense play is that one? Eh? Chidi, how many times have I told you not to mention this kind of thing to me? I told you I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for it.
Oh.
You remember what happened between Emeka and I? So why are you bringing all these things up? I don't want a repeat of that, please.
See, I'm not forcing you. It's not like I'm forcing you. It's just that, you know, it's over 3 years now that we started this relationship. And that I
am not ready. Wait. Is it not your mate that are waiting till their wedding night? Eh? Why can't you wait? Please.
You need to get over this Emeka matter.
Chidi, please, can you not bring this thing up? I don't want to talk about it again. End it. You didn't buy water?
I have water. I can't wake up water. Give me a gallon.
For real? You know, Chidi registered me for JAM this year. I pray and hope I pass, so...
Chidi registered you for JAM? Wow. My sister envy you.
You envy me? Why are you envying me? Are you envying me that I failed JAM 3 times?
No. I envy you because Chidi is a good man. He loves you so much. Yes. Within 3 years, he bought you a phone. Within 3 years, he opened the shop for your mom. Changed your outfits. Now you wear beautiful dresses that every girl in this community envy you, including me.
Girl.
Yes.
You're sounding as if he's living his life for me.
Living his life for you?
Yes.
Is it not obvious? He's living his life for you. Chidi always wants to get you new things. Unlike other guys. And the most important thing is he has not even touched you before. Or has he?
Why will he touch me? Eh? Why will he touch me? Is it because he's doing all these things for me? Does that give him the right to touch me?
Ebube,
please.
I wish you know how Enoch do sleep with me morning, afternoon, night.
Yeah.
Back to back, as if he's dying.
Morning, afternoon, night.
Is
he a dog? Eh?
You're lucky. Very, very lucky.
Beg, let's go before you correct my mind with all these things. You know I'm still a good girl.
Virgin Mary.
Hello. Good afternoon. Please, I'm trying to locate Agolo Girls High School. I don't know if you guys are from here.
Oh, yes. Towards that.
Down the road?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'll walk you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is that not going to inconvenience you?
No, not at all. I'll take you there. I know the place.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
That place is not far. He's new now. Do you want him to? Let me take him there. I know the place. Don't worry, let's go.
Thank you.
Go to your mother's shop. You know how your mother can be. I'll come and meet you later, eh?
Oh, Ebube. Oh, that way you have left me behind up here. Okay, you will come back.
He carried dreams in sacrifice.
Wow.
We are here. So this is the school.
Oh.
Yes, that building there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So what are you doing here?
I was posted here to be a teacher.
Hey.
Yes.
So that means you'll be staying in this village to teach?
Yes. I mean, I can't be coming all the way from the city every day to teach. So I'll be here.
So you're from the city?
Yes.
I knew it. I mean, the way you talk, you don't look like men from this village.
Really?
Yes, you look like men from the city.
I didn't know that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Ebube.
I'm Jordan.
Jordan. What kind of name is that?
You know what? I need to rush and settle in, okay? The next time I see you, I'll tell you what it means. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mama, I just want to register her for lesson so that she will do better training. She will do better training and practical so that she will pass the jump. Just him going a dairy jump up and down without passing.
Shade, you are too kind.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. Oh,
You're welcome.
my God will continue to bless you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Mama, did you say you have not seen her?
No, the only place I know she should be is Ada's house.
Ada's house?
Yes.
No, I went there. I saw her. Ada said that the last time she saw her, that she said she's going to see somebody off. I'll be going to show somebody at Agolo school. I don't know what she's saying. That she hasn't seen her since then.
Mama, good evening. Judy, you're here?
Where are you coming from?
Where else if not at that place?
You see, Ada's where?
But Chidi went to Ada's place. You were not there.
Okay, yes. I went to show someone the way to Agolo Girls.
The someone, is it man or woman? Male or female?
It's a new teacher that came into town.
Male or female? Simple answer. Is it male or female?
Which one is it, male or female? I said I went to show someone the way to Agolo Girls. Simple.
Okay. Anyway, I have gone to register you for jam blessing. I want you to start writing, doing better lesson. I don't want anything that will make you fail again. You know you have written jam 3 times now. No headway.
What do you mean?
Huh?
Are you saying that I can't pass jam on my own?
No, you can pass it now. That's why you have written 3 times. I'm just saying.
Ebube, Chidi is right. I think you should go for lesson, jam lesson or whatever.
Mama, there is no need. There is no need. It's not necessary. Since I started writing jam, my score has been going high. Even the last one that I wrote, I scored 198. So I'm sure that this time around, I will make up to 200 now.
But you can still score 199 now. Or 1 point ahead. 198. It started from 120 something. Now, Bagote. 199 now. I check another time to enter 200. That is 2 more years.
There's no point for this lesson. I will pass jam this year.
You do this
without lesson.
Come and
carry me.
You will not spend 6 years in a jam. So I'm ready for you. Any amount I will spend to make sure that this jam passes about this high institution. I'm getting ready to pay your school fees, everything that will
You
follow.
will just waste your money because I'm not going to attend any lesson.
So where the guy living anya? Mama biko tiri munni.
Rice or swallow?
Apple, me apple.
Oh, the man now.
You go and play this damn blessing.
I don't need any lesson.
I was posted here to be a teacher.
Hey.
Yes.
So that means you'll be staying in this village to teach.
Yes. I mean, I can't be coming all the way from the city every day to teach. So I'll be here.
So you're from the city?
Yes.
Ah! I knew it. I mean, the way you talk, you don't look like men from this village.
Really?
Yes, you look like men from the city.
I didn't know that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Ebube.
I'm Jordan. Girls High School. I don't know if you guys are from here. Can you please down the road?
Yes. Yes.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Do you work around here?
No, I actually came to see my friend.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice.
I see that you've started work already.
Yeah, I just finished for the day and I'm trying to find somewhere I can eat because I'm very hungry. Can you
You're
recommend?
hungry?
Yeah.
And you're looking for a place to eat.
Yes.
Ha! Search no more, okay? I will take you to a place that you will love their food.
Really?
Yes! It's very nice, oh. You will love it. Let's go.
Can I trust you?
Trust me, 100%. Let's go. Let me take
Okay. All right. What kind of food do they sell?
anything. I hope you're enjoying the food.
This is tasty.
I told you now. I told you that this is the only place you will get the best food in this village.
I agree with you because this is very good.
Mama the mama. My baby. How are you? Mama, good evening.
How are you doing, Chief?
Hey, our in-law.
Mama hunger wants to kill me because you leave me.
Oh, God forbid. Not while I'm still alive. Kenneth,
Ma?
what will you eat?
Okay, give me exactly the same thing you are giving to your son-in-law.
Confirm. Mama, wait. For this boy calling me your son-in-law, Tilia extra 2 meat in my name.
Today!
Play.
Make it a bakwara. Abakwara no. Hey! I got my thing at Taria.
Do you want more food?
No, thank you. I hope she'll be here in the evening.
Yes, but if you want, I can bring food for you.
Really?
All you have to do is ask and I'll bring for you.
Thank you.
I've been calling you. Why did you take it?
I didn't see it.
Listen, this thing is called handset. It's not table set or pocket set. Why will I be calling you and you will not take your call? Huh? Meanwhile, who is he?
He's the new teacher in Agulu Girls' School.
Agulu Girls? Is he a copper?
No, he's a teacher.
I know he must be a copper. He looks like somebody that is waiting for Alawi. Alawi. My name is Chid. I am her husband to be.
Yes, yeah. I am proper introduction. My name is Kenneth. And you can call me Kenny for short. Yes, I am the chief brassmaid.
You see? Best man.
Okay, I'm the best man.
Nice to meet you.
So, do you need more food? You need more food?
No, I'm fine.
Have you paid for this food?
Don't worry. It's free.
What is free?
It's his welcome gift.
As the owner of the kitchen, are you the one selling food? Are you Mama?
I said I'm giving it for him for free.
How? How now? You didn't hear you say more. Bro, I'm not good at the Mama, put his own bill on my name. It's just a copper. Give him extra 2 meat to come on him.
I'm gonna give me.
While I was calling you.
Chidi, what is it now? Mama, you seen Chidi. Tell him to leave me alone.
Compromise. Condescend.
Thank you.
You didn't finish your food. Mama, let me walk him, eh?
Huh? Agu. Wake up. Mama, do I go to the moon after? Oh,
I'm coming. Let me
walk him. Chill.
Mama, we are coming. Can I check the walking?
Chidi.
Hey, you see me, I'm going to buy somebody in this community one day. This our village, Somebody will buy one day in my name, I swear. What's with this?
Chidi, what is that stupid newcomer doing with our wife?
Doing with Ona what?
Our wife, Ebubena, and our wife. What can he possibly be doing with our wife?
When you marry.
I don't understand.
When you carry your elders to go marry, who you pay in bride price?
No, I not.
What do you mean by Ona wife? Have I not warned you? Have I not warned you to stop calling this girl your wife? You dey craze? If I say super glue there your brain, Abi.
Wait, Chidi. So you leave matter where they grand, they argue with your your wife. But my question now be say, waiting this guy they do with her. What is this guy doing with the
Waiting you feel say he will be doing with the girl if not talking. No be normal talking. Maybe just one or two they just talk now. She just reach there, go her way. Waiting again. Waiting happen. Waiting me that.
Na typhoid. How you see this guy chest? You say ordinary talking. You see the guy chest? This guy be like person where be say, girl go just see I'm overcome.
Wait, waiting happen to my own chest. No, they see my overcomers, they follow me.
Yeah,
you don't see my own chest. I don't get chest.
I can see your stomach, but I'm talking of chest, muscle, 6 packs, giant, handsome.
It's like something is wrong with you, Abi. Let me tell you, see that my girlfriend that you see there? She can never condescend so low. You see, and I told you, man. I just talk, they go talk. It's just normal talk. This one cannot nothing. See, with my big boy, with my fine boy and everything, this girl has never removed her clothes for me.
Wow.
Don't be this ordinary teacher where they collect 10, 15, 20,000. Yeah. This one now allow money if I
so she cannot condescend so low.
Never.
But she condescended so low to date you. And your disfigured shape. Okay. If you can go in for 2 seconds or bad theater. If you for I'm way shape. She condescended date and if you teacher, it seems they're just talking. You know pose.
Wetin bring this insult now?
No, I dey condescend na we dey
Because
discuss.
I walked to this place with you, Abi. Oya, vamos.
How?
I go not do now. You know,
So ordinary.
I have anger issues. Move.
Once you reach my top.
Are you okay?
Doctor, only I can walk. You see that down in
Ebube.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I brought you food.
Really? You know, I was actually contemplating on coming to your mother's shop.
No. I figured you'd be hungry, so I decided to bring you food instead of you trekking down there.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you. What did you bring?
I brought beans and plantain.
That's my favorite.
Really?
How did you not like beans and plantain?
I mean, every reasonable man loves beans and plantain, so I figured you'd like it too.
Right. Let me get water and spoon. I'll be back.
No. We can just go inside so you would eat.
Ibube, there's no light. It's very hot.
Okay, no problem. Just tell me where the kitchen is, so I'll bring the spoon and water.
Okay, when you enter, it's by your right.
Okay. Let me get it.
Where are you coming from?
Chidi. Chidi, what are you doing here?
That does not answer my question. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from...
That teacher's house. So it has gotten to this, Abi. You now go to his house, stay all the way to the evening. For what now? What is the meaning of this one now?
Chidi, are you not monitoring me?
Why won't I?
Why would you monitor me?
Am I not supposed to monitor you?
As what?
Listen to me. I am your man. You are my woman. I'm your husband to be. You are my girlfriend. What is wrong with you now? What is this now?
Okay. Anyways, I went there because he's the one helping me out with past jam questions.
Helping you out with past jam questions.
Yes.
So where is your pen and paper for the lectures?
That's because I don't need it. The questions are online.
And you are giving him food offline. Getting prepared for him offline. Abi? See, Ebu baby, I'm not a baby. I'm not a mugo. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
So what are you thinking?
It will not be funny.
What are you thinking, JD?
I'm a very dangerous person. You know me. I don't laugh. Anything that belongs to me, I don't joke with it. Ima, it will not be
there
easy.
is nothing going on. There is nothing. I don't know what you're thinking. He's just helping me out with jam. That's all.
You are just moving up and down there. You are frequenting that place.
Please, I need to go.
I'm walking you home.
Why?
What is it? I want to walk you home. You can go.
Better don't follow me. Go where you're going.
Stay.
Oh! Hey, stop it now. Please, stop it. Someone can see us.
Yeah, Agolo guess. Mama, Agolo guess. Agolo guess. Okay, no problem. No wahala.
No, thank you so much.
You are welcome. No problem.
Thank you.
Agolo guess.
Come back here. Mama, what were you doing at Agolo guess?
I went to give Jordan food.
Jordan again? The other day you brought him to my shop and gave him free food. Chidi and his friends were there and you acted as if you did not see any one of them. What is going on between you and that boy?
Mama, there is nothing going on between us. He's just my friend.
Yeah. When did a girl started being friends with a man?
Mama, you the one saying this thing? Hey. Mama, this is modern times, though. This is not your time where a man and a woman are not allowed to be together.
This time, a man and a woman, they can be friends. They can be together. Yes.
Like they say, you cannot use sugar cane as a walking stick. Because when hunger catches you, definitely you will eat it. Be careful.
Mama, see, there's nothing between Jordan and I. We're just friends, good friends. Besides, he's the one helping me with my jam preparation. No?
Okay, no problem if you say so. But please, I don't want anything to affect your relationship between you and Chidi. Have I made myself clear?
Mama, I've heard you.
Okay.
I've heard you. Ozugo. Chidi. So we will not rest in this house again. Eh?
Finally, you are here. Thank God.
Why not? Is this not my mother's shop?
Your mother's shop. Well, before we see you, book ticket. Oh.
Yeah.
Hot commodity.
Well, it's not like that. It's just that I've been preparing for jam now. You know, jam is around the corner.
Jam? Did they introduce anything new? Because they will by no do not have anything to worry about jam preparation.
My sister, after 3 failed attempts, you should understand why I am taking this one serious. Yes, so.
So you finally allowed Chidi to register you?
No. Doesn't even know that I've started, Seth. I've started lesson now. Yes.
You used your money?
Money, Ke. It's for free. Oh.
Free? Free, Ke? Lesson that others are using 10,000 naira to register. And they are doing yours for free. Biko, who is this good Samaritan?
It's Jordan. My friend
Jordan?
now. My friend, the one that teaches in Agulu Girls' School.
Oh, Chekwa. Ebube. That guy you showed Agulu High School the other day.
That guy.
Hey! Oh! Ebube, you have been liking that guy? Yes, the way you volunteered yourself that you want to help him. I was surprised.
Let me ask you something. Do you believe in destiny?
Yes.
But it's fine, Sha. Don't worry. You won't understand.
So, tell me. You said you're not paying. Are you paying in the other room?
Yeah, you don't spoil. I beg. You know me. You know I'm not like that. I'm not that kind of person.
Nothing good comes.
I never spoil like you. Yes.
Virgin Mary, I see you. Welcome. I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm coming back from my piggery.
How are your pigs?
Fine. They are all growing.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my friend's place.
This one you are just hailing me like this. I hope there is no problem.
Chidi, I wish I would tell you there is no problem. Man, there is big problem.
What is it?
You know you're a good man. And I love how you take good care of my friend and her mother. Even more than the father when he's alive.
Every good man takes care of his woman.
Bam! This is what I'm telling you now. But Ebube is not respecting you.
You know, every man deserves respect from his girlfriend. But if she doesn't respect me, I will be teaching her small things.
Bam. No. You are too good for that now. Ebube is not trying at all. You know that you told Ebube about registering her for lesson, jump lesson.
Which she refused now. She said she doesn't want. But she can pass it on her own.
And I was wondering, who teaches a stranger for free in his own room? Walking and wine, mekorita.
Wait. Where is she now?
I saw her going for the lesson. No, Nia.
Let me find something.
Yes. Me, Ada, Okunere. I have set the fire. Let it burn.
So, we were saying, when you put this to this, you get this. Take it out of that, out to this, out of like that, to get this one.
Bia, Ebube, what are you doing here?
Chidi, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. That is the same question I'm asking you now. What are you doing here?
Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm doing my lessons?
Lesson? The same lesson I said I should go and register you and you said no. Oh yeah, let's leave here now.
I'm not going anywhere.
I don't want to talk too much. Come on.
Chidi, I said I'm not going.
Leave me alone.
What did they worry you? Why are you hold me now? Okay, come on, remove your hand from my body. Are you okay? Okay, if you don't remove this hand now, I will enjoy you here now. What's wrong with you? Come on. Yeah, this guy. This one say. What did they worry this boy? Come on, free me. Free me also. If you say you get power, if you say you get power, don't worry, I go jam you man to man. Let's go.
Oh! Jenny, leave me now. What is your problem?
You have power, you think you have energy. Come on.
Jenny, leave me now. What is your problem? Leave me. See, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Oh, yeah. Handle also. What is wrong?
Don't follow me to the house.
Madam, handle.
Don't follow me to the house. Okay,
come on, handle also.
Don't follow me. I'm going to your house from here.
I'm not the one you embarrassing.
Who is embarrassing you? You're the one embarrassing yourself.
How?
You're asking me.
That ordinary teacher that is earning 30,000 is the one you want to use and embarrass me. You are not okay.
You're the one that is not okay. Who is embarrassing you? Chidi, who is embarrassing you? I have warned you. Stay away from me. Stay away.
Okay. You want to go and do lesson. See you.
And I've told you, how many times have I told you that he's just my friend?
He's just your friend?
Yes.
There is no way a young girl, a right young girl like you will be friends with that kind of boy. See his muscle. See his energy.
You were not my friend when I was dating Emeka.
And what happened? Did I overshadow Emeka? How did you not enter my side?
Okay, that's your fear. Oh, you're scared that you'll be gone and Jordan will take over.
Nobody is taking over. Nobody is taking over. Listen to me. If you want to enter any lesson, even if it's the biggest lesson anywhere, I will enroll you. I will pay. I've already been paying. I've been paying on your head for how many years now?
Continue.
I've told you.
And who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? To tell me who or who I should not be friends with?
I am your husband. I am your husband.
Who that shit?
I am your husband.
You are not my husband.
You know how much I spent on your head?
You are not my husband.
You know how much you know how much I spent on your head?
What?
See me now. See the way I'm looking like a nobody. Just because I want to make you somebody. See the way I look like nothing because I want you to become something.
Did I beg you?
Did you beg me?
Did I chook hand in your pocket
to
collect the money?
That is the only thing we
Did I chook hand in your pocket?
Anytime we finish paying, finish doing things for years, that is what we earn. Okay, come and follow him now. You cannot embarrass me. To God who made me, you can't embarrass me. It's not possible. Mama, she's not here, Abi. She's not here.
No, she's not here.
She's not here, Abi. No problem. Your daughter had the mind to tell me that I'm not her boyfriend, that I'm just a male friend. I'm just an ordinary friend to her. No problem.
She said that to you?
After everything I've spent on her head.
Hi.
Your daughter? No problem.
Because you have to calm down, bro. Please, I beg you in the name of God. When I go home, I'll talk to her.
Madam, Mama, So she has been seeing that boy.
Who? What teacher?
You know. So you know and you never told me that your daughter has been seeing that boy in secret, Mama, you.
How can I tell you? I asked her and she said that the one teacher is teaching her lesson, jam.
Jam lesson. I want to teach you jam lesson. I want to get on a wall like this. Is jam one. Up there on a wall or teach her lesson. Jam there on a wall. But no problem. So bad. Jam lesson that I wanted to pay, and she said I shouldn't pay. But now she's stylishly going into that boy's house to go and learn that jam lesson by Kunku.
God, it's not like that now. It hasn't gotten to that. Don't worry, I'll talk to her. Oh?
Mama, to God who made me, I went to that boy. I went to that place and this boy held my hand. One them knock like this, if not for the grace of God who did them like this, that boy can't watch him. Somebody, normal mean I can beat that boy. And what's your judge them, Yana Chiama?
Because you are no Zugo. I'm so sorry about that.
You see me? I swear to God who made me, I will separate them in my own terms. That your daughter. Oga my head up on Mebuya.
Oh, Biko. Remember he's a visitor. He can put watch you, Biko. Biko, if I go home, I'll talk to her. Biko, Nam. Hey.
Chibo, how are you? You sounded so worried on the phone.
There's a problem.
What is happening, okay? Who to who?
There's a serious problem.
Ogun, what is the problem? You know me for what?
My guy, there's a very big problem.
Onyena, so who is looking for your trouble in this town? Come on, the back.
You see that one teacher?
Which one teacher? Which one?
The one we saw at Ebube mother's food shop.
That idiot with him also.
That boy is getting on my nerves. He's seriously, in fact, he's finally standing on my nerves.
Ha! What did he do that is going to your nerves? I'm sure it's hidden.
Do you know that guy called my girl?
Called your girl, Ebube?
Because this guy knows how desperately my girl needs to pass Jambe exam.
Yeah, he must go.
He now called my girl with these guys. Which one is other go? Can you do put it?
No, man, this is the system.
I'm telling you this thing now. Stop. Do you want to insult my girl or what?
No, but they gave her polo last year.
Hey.
Thanks for your patronage.
Hey.
Sorry.
He came under the disguise of teaching my girl how to pass Jamb. He now used that style and lured my girl to his house.
Hey, whoa.
Do you know that Ebube innocently followed this boy? Not knowing that he has ulterior motive.
Ulterior motive is a total motive. That motive is a bongi motive. From all inspection, that motive of doggy or motive of doggy, I cannot call it ordinary ulterior. It is a total entirely motive. Oh, and you know, I'm imagining. Can we okay,
don't go there.
Hey, you know the guy is tall, and tall guys with him body card to ego. Osonaya, you know, Piataka.
Hey, it's okay.
Sorry.
The thing there is that I have this medicine.
So what do we do?
I know what to do. Just follow me. Okay, but I just pay the TDA wage.
Chiba is going in as easy. I'm not Nollywood.
Ebube.
Mama, welcome.
Ebube.
Mama, why are you shouting my name? What is it?
Chidi was at the shop this evening, and he told me everything. The ones I know and the one I did not know. Ebube. What is going on between you and what teacher?
Here. Mama, what can possibly be going on? He's my teacher now.
Ebube. Mama, I didn't know you go to Aglogia school.
Mama, I go there now. That is where he teaches me what I need to know. You people have been shouting I should pass jam this year. And that's exactly what is helping me to do. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem, if it's like that. Ebube, what happened between you and Chidi this evening.
Mama, Chidi, I'm tired of Chidi. Oh. Chidi has been policing me everywhere in this community. He's acting as if he owns me and I don't like it. Warn him.
Oh, shut up! Chidi has every right to act the way he acted. Yes. Look at children of these days, oh. You should be happy that someone loves you and willing to do everything for you, and you want to ruin it with your stupidity. What is wrong with you?
Mama, Chidi, I am not married to Chidi. I am not married to him.
Yet he does things that married men did not do for their wives. That boy, yeah, one teacher. What do you know about him? Do you know even he has wife from wherever he came from? Eh? Have you forgotten that your father did not finish this house? If not for Chidi, we would have been on the street begging or even renting house. Don't you know that?
Okay. No, so I should pause my life now. No. I should pause my life for him.
My daughter, all I am trying to tell you is respect him. He has done a lot for us. Oh,
Mama, can you allow me to talk?
I will not allow you. I won't.
Oh yeah, now let me go inside.
No, you can go inside.
Okay, then I'll go inside.
One teacher left and one teacher right. All the time. In fact, I will not let you go. Leave one teacher alone. Tell him to stay away from you. Why will I leave you?
Where they go?
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
May you never know me in Jesus' name. May you never know anything about me in Jesus' name. Amen. My question now, where you they go?
Can I help you?
Okay, you can help me. I am the weapon fashioned against you for going to see Ebube. In fact, for your information, Ebube fiancé, boyfriend and husband to be in future. Chidi already knows your mission in this village, so he sent me to make sure you don't fulfill your mission. Yes, so you may go back. Hello? Hello? Hey, listen. Attentively. You see your chest, big. See my stomach, big. You can compare, so we can talk.
Get out of my way.
Or what will happen? No, get out of your way, or what will happen?
I will say this for the last time.
Okay.
Get out of my way.
And I will say this for the last time. Go back. If you want this head to remain on this neck, go back before I'm telling cricket.
Okay, go back, man. Hey! Jesus! Chidi! What? Jesus! No, hey!
Sorry. You may go. Hey!
Baby.
Chidi.
Good morning.
Chidi, what are you doing here this morning?
Which one is what am I doing here this morning? I'm here to see my baby now. Why are you asking me something like that?
So why didn't you call that you were coming this morning?
Must I call you? Must I call my baby before I come to visit my baby? No, I'm here to surprise you. I'm here to show you small surprise. Oh, love.
I'm going out though.
To where?
Somewhere.
Is there a new location now? Is there a new location in this village that I don't know?
Chidi, what's the meaning of this now?
What is the meaning of what, Kwano?
Anyways, I'm going out.
Come.
What is it?
Let's go. No too much talk. Let's go.
You're not coming with me.
How? See,
he's calling me now. I need to go.
Who is calling you? Let's go and see him now.
You're not coming with me.
Anybody you want to see, let's go and see him.
Must you go everywhere with me?
Let's go.
I said you're not coming with me.
We are going together.
Chidi, please, don't let me fight you. Don't let me fight you.
Do you know you are very shameless? Let me not give you full insult. Do you know you are a bit shameless? A bit. You are here wasting your time for a man who doesn't even care about you. Why?
And who told you I'm going to see a man?
Okay, you are seeing me as a Muguna. No, you are seeing me as a Mugu. You think I don't know? Okay, let me tell you who you are going to see. You are going to see that one teacher. You're going to see that one teacher. You think I don't know? For your mind, no, I don't know.
Even if I'm going to see him, what is wrong with that? Have you not been the one disturbing me to enroll for lesson so I can make my jam this year?
Yes,
So what is wrong if I go to see a teacher so that he will teach me so I will not fail jam this year?
When I told you to enroll for the jam, did I tell you to go to his house, naked yourself, lie on his bed while enrolling for the jam?
And who told you I went to his bedroom? Who told you I went to his...
Kenneth, what is it?
You didn't tell me that man is a wrestler.
Which man?
What is around? You didn't tell me. No, Randy Orton. Kokodu Bosuli.
What teacher?
Yes,
what did he do to you?
You see that vision you said to me? You said to me to get blocking him, so. Remember that I told him not to pass. The rest thing. People 40 kg. Apartment door, but I won't Naija them everywhere, bro. Everywhere, bro. I come to hear sorry.
You did what? You blocked Jordan. Hey!
Stop doing that nonsense also. What is wrong with you? How can you say your fellow man beat you and you are crying like him?
He's my fellow man. You say my fellow man, I don't know.
How?
Over where 7 apples.
So also 4 bucks go to go to.
No.
What is wrong?
You don't need to beat the 5. That guy. No baby. So I was thinking I could compare with my stomach. Of your knowing that. You a big fool. See the knowing
Jordan!
Are you okay? Yes.
Are you fine?
I'm fine.
You're not hurt?
No, I'm okay.
I was really scared.
I'm fine.
Something happened to you. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
But what if he had injured you?
Well, he didn't. As a matter of fact, he got injured.
You're very strong. Do you know that everybody fears Kenneth and his friends?
You mean your boyfriend?
No. He's not my boyfriend. He's just my friend. Hey, Jordan, I don't really know anything about you.
There's nothing to know, Ebube.
I would like to know where you're from.
Kaduna State.
Kaduna?
Yes.
So what are you doing here?
Working.
I know, but why didn't you just work there or work maybe in Abuja? Why coming all the way down here? So what about your family? I mean, your parents. Did you leave them there? What?
The heart that loved still
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
The heart that loved still
Kenneth, wait, are you trying to tell me that it's only this guy that did this to you, Abi Dengada?
Chidi, don't answer to my injury. I tell you that that guy is not ordinary. That guy is not ordinary. Oh, one punch. Oh, more. One mother. Everywhere below. As I landed on the ground, I started hearing people saying, Ebola, leave him. That was the last thing I had. until after 45 minutes. I come to hear, sorry, yo, is he paying you? Is he still alive? That was when I knew I was coming back to life.
Wait. Is he one teacher or who? Or one teacher? The same guy I sent you to. Because this thing is not linking.
What do you mean one teacher? He's one teacher and another one teacher. The same guy, that was, is it not the one that is dragging a baby with you now? That is teaching at Agro Girls. I went there. Could you use of Tachara? Oh, Molu, step away, step aside and say, no, I can't step aside. Step aside the second time. If you like them, I cannot be.
Don't worry, we are going to deal with him.
Who are we?
We are going to deal. We look for a way and maybe
anything we are doing now, don't put plural word to be a we. Remove we, say I. Yeah, in fact, I'm no longer feeling fine. I'm going to the hospital.
By tomorrow morning, you will be okay. By morning, you will be okay.
Yes, that morning is when there will be morning in my house. Because if anything that could take me to him now with you, oh, my house guy does not see my mother. My making
Go. You don't believe it. But you said this boy did this thing to you. Don't you want to revenge? Or try to water?
No, the revenge is of the Lord. But you will revenge from me. I cannot revenge anything. But you will revenge the Lord.
You can we a miracle might to go bring revenge now.
I have a miracle. Jimmy, don't use that on me.
You can revenge your required.
Jimmy.
Not why.
No!
Remind you that I am still your mother. I will not sit here and watch you bring shame and disgrace to me and you in this village.
Mama, what did I do again now?
You have done everything. What have you not done? You have sworn that you will bring shame to me in this village. I will not let that happen. Never! You see that boy? Stay away from him. Stay away from one teacher.
Mama, I cannot stay away. I will not stay away from Jordan. What is it, sir?
Did you say that to me?
Mama, I'm sorry, but the truth is I cannot stay away from him. I cannot stay away from him. I love him. I've fallen in love with him even before I met him.
And what is that supposed to be?
No, you will not understand. You will not. In fact, nobody will understand.
I will not leave him alone. Okay, no problem.
All I can friend you, I will see you. Really, I will never fall in love, never forget you. Your eye always be. Your eye.
Deepening, what is it? You haven't gotten yourself for a while. I noticed it. I saw Mama and she said a lot of things. And I want to know from the horse's mouth, Asojoko, what is it? What is going on between you and that teacher?
Ada, I love him.
Hmm?
Yes.
You love who?
The truth is, I have fallen in love with him. I've even loved him before I met him. Yes.
Do you know what you're saying, Ibubi? That you love that teacher?
Yes.
Uchegodia?
Okay, Ada. Do you remember when I asked you if you believe in destiny?
Yes.
I think that God destined Jordan and I to be together. Yes. In fact, I am sure we are destined to be together.
How, Ibubi? How?
Relax now. I will tell you everything. Remember the day we met Jordan? I was at Chidi's place, sleeping. And you know me, I hardly sleep in the afternoon, no matter what. But that day, I slept. And I had a dream where Jordan came to this house and proposed to me. But when it was about slipping the ring into my finger, I woke up. Moments later, why are you laughing now? Wait, let me finish. Moments later, you and I were strolling down the street. Boom! We saw Jordan coming down from the bike. So tell me, how can all these things that happened, how can it be a coincidence? It's not. It is destiny.
Hey! Daydreamer! Ebube, you can dream for Africa.
I know you won't believe me now.
Ebube, if not that I know you do not love romantic novels, I would have said you're practicing something from those your books.
Look, I'm not surprised. Because I know you won't even believe me. That's why I didn't tell you all this while. That's the truth. But the truth remains that I love Jordan. And he loves me too.
And how do you know he loves you too?
He said it. He said it to me that he loves me. I think that God destined Jordan and I to be together. Yes. In fact, I am sure we are destined to be together. But the truth remains that I love Jordan and he loves me too.
How do you know he loves you too?
He said it. He said it to me that he loves me. I have fallen in love with him. I've even loved him before I met him. Yes.
Men, Biano, come over. Alade.
War.
There is war.
There
is a big problem now. Teacher, I am going to buy him today. The only thing that will save him today is death.
Then he's dead already, nah?
Chido, what exactly did one teacher do that warrant to death to death?
My teacher has gone to the extreme.
Extreme.
My teacher had the effrontery, the gods, to kiss Ebube.
Hey! The same kiss they used in selling Jesus. And you know the worst part? Ebe had not even given you a tap of that kiss. A kiss you have hustled for. A kiss you renovated the house. A kiss you sent to school.
Hey. Why are you reminding me?
No, because there are so many things you have done for the kids.
You will not be talking this thing. Let's go to war and let's go and copy this guy.
War.
You need to calm down. Hey, you can't be fighting because of a woman that don't love you now.
Don't tell me that. 2 months ago, you were busy fighting for your boyfriend. Your ex-boyfriend, Shebi, you were fighting. What happened? Everybody now, go inside. If it is gone, knife, anything you have, bring it. We are going there. That boy is going
I
down.
have a suggestion.
What suggestion?
There are two in this game. Ebube and the one teacher. Why not we go and confront our own person, which is Ebube?
How?
Let's go and confront it. Why would Ebube carry a kiss that was meant for you and give it to what teacher?
Well,
don't tell me you are scared of going to confront that guy.
What type of nonsense reasoning is that? Are you going to tell me who to fight or who to injure?
No, but the thing is that it was Ebube who kissed. Sorry, but the kiss was for the two. We go for the one we can afford.
Okay, this guy is...
You man like you see what are we even talking about, sir? Why are we even wasting time? Why are we wasting time?
Go. Don't worry.
It's better. Go and warm soup. You warm warfare. Go and warm soup.
Don't worry.
Why you if you kill somebody?
I know what I said, my sister. The last time I confronted him, Omo 44 loader. Piano everywhere, bro. I just hear sorry this side, sorry that side, sorry this way. People they ask, he has passed out, That's all I've been hearing.
Sorry.
Now imagine if to say na my teeth that's in target. Nego that's the
Hey, Opugokwa is out of
very incomplete. And if that blow would have landed there, demolition, it would have been like a missile entering a society.
earlier the better.
So let them go to war. Onyana football goes to capture war. Anyway, when they come back, remind me.
No problem.
I'm going home. Has to go now.
No problem.
Hey! Okuna Wazara. I will put in the fire. Kobotuba. Katomiche.
Hey, Jordan! Where is he?
Behind you.
Hey! Jordan! Come outside! Come outside! Fool!
Behind you.
You think you can just come to this community and take away my girl? Anywhere? What you go with ya? Come outside! Jordan! Jordan!
Oh, in the fear.
Jordan! His AC is on.
That means he's inside.
He's inside.
Knock again.
We will sleep here now. Leave him now. If you want to remain there, remain there. We too will sleep here.
Okay.
We will sleep here. Since you want to fool yourself. Thunder will go to that place. Thunder, where are you that place?
For this community.
Don't worry, we are waiting for him. Jordan! You better come outside now. You better come outside. Outside that room now.
I think they hear this one when they talk, I think. Until we bust this door. Don't worry.
I will show you small. Maybe you think you want to use fine boy and run it. I will use ugliness and wickedness. Show you. Yes. Steven, let's pretend as if we are out of this place. Come out. Now move. Just come. You see him now. Once you come out, many actions leave. No. Move.
No waste time.
Yeah, remove your leg when I want to cut his leg. Don't worry.
Just say this guy no one come out. We go re-strategize. No come out first.
Maybe,
go first.
Maybe you know that.
Yes. No come out first.
Jordan! If you are there,
no
just
worry.
know that your life is at risk.
No worry, leave him. Move
Leave him
first. Move go first. Ingo come out.
Good afternoon. How are you?
What is good about this afternoon? One teacher, in fact, what is good about you?
Is everything all right?
How can everything be all right? One teacher, how can everything be all right ever since you showed up your face in this community?
Mama, what have I done?
What have you not done? Eh? What have you not done? You have made a disrespectful child out of my very respectful daughter. Leave my daughter alone.
Mama, I'm sorry. But if you think that
Just leave my daughter alone. Leave her alone. She already has a man in her life. A man who is taking good care of her. And she was so happy, so excited about him. But ever since you showed up, everything rasa. You did my daughter rasa. You turn everything upside down. I will not take it from you. Just stay away from her. Leave her alone. Let her be.
Okay. I've heard you, Ma. Please, can I get a plate of rice so that I can...
Did you call me, Ma? Do I in any way look like your ma? Eh? In fact, I don't have food. Even if it's a house, I will not sell it for you. Go, leave my shop. Yes, get out. One teacher, leave my shop.
Sorry.
Nonsense. Look at him. Aneko are, papeko. Ele me dira mama. Anyway.
Oh my God. Where have you been? I've missed you so much. Why haven't you been picking my calls?
Your boyfriend was here.
Chidi?
Yes. He was here with his friends. They harassed me with machetes.
What? Did they hurt you? Huh?
No.
Did they do anything to you?
I'm fine. Also, I went to your mother's shop and she asked me to leave.
She did that?
She said I should leave you alone and go back to wherever I came from.
Mama said that to you?
Hey, Ebube.
JD! JD, come out here!
Our wife.
Our wife kill you there. Where's your wife? Are you mad? Eh? JD!
My baby.
Hold it there. Hold it! Chidi, let me ask you. Is relationship by force?
No, my love.
Thank you. So why are you going about embarrassing yourself, telling everybody that you're in a relationship with me? Why?
Baby, wait, let me ask you. Is it because of that boy? So it's because of that teacher that you are now insulting me? After everything me and you have gone through, after the whole of do you know how many pigs I sold because of you? Everything, your clothes, your hair, everything about you, I've been taking care of it for how many years now? It's because of this teacher now. Because of this teacher.
Did I ask you? Did I took hand inside your pocket to collect the money? Everything you did for me, you did it out of your own will. Yes.
So you are now insulting me in front of my friend because of that boy.
This one?
Hey, baby.
Your friend. Is this who you are calling your friend? This one that does nothing but indulge in your stupidity.
Hey, baby, easy before I go change them for you. Which one be say, what do you mean?
What did you just say now?
I never change. I just thought.
What did you just say now? Who do you want to change it for? Are you okay? Are you mad?
I withdraw my statement.
You want to change it for my woman? Are you okay?
I withdraw. Chidi, I am not your woman. And I will never be your woman. In fact, there is nothing going on between us. You hear? And there is nothing that will ever go on between us. Chidi, I am warning you. Stay away from Jordan. Because if you go and harass him again, if you try it, I will make sure I get all of you, including that other one. I will get all of you arrested.
Yeah.
Try it again. Harass Jordan and see what I will do to you.
You see? This is the same girl you were selling all your fat pig for. You were selecting the fat ones just to sell, to sustain this girl.
Be very careful. What's wrong with you? Do you know why she's saying this thing now? Do you know if she's saying it under duress? Do you know if she's under pressure?
You're right though. If that's the case, let's go and confront her and calm her pressure down.
Saying nonsense. Do you know if they push her to come and say this, you will give a woman time to express herself.
Have you?
She just expressed. You're right. Don't worry. Stop doing that.
I understand you.
You have to respect yourself. In your life, in fact, till we die in this community, I don't want to ever see you talk to my woman like that. Say you want to do what?
Don't worry.
Nonsense.
Let's go before she go to that teacher's house, okay? Mama can stop here nose and calm her down. He says she's under pressure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mama, what is it now? Eh? Why are you harassing my friend?
So, Ebube, you have grown wings to shout at me.
Mama, I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting at you. I only asked you a question. What is your problem with Jordan?
He is a problem in your life. And that is a problem to me.
Mama, how? How is Jordan a problem in my life? Do you not know my life more than me?
Oh, yes, I do. That is why I am ordering you to stop whatsoever you are doing with your teacher before you push children out of your way. Do you hear what I said?
I knew it. I knew all this is because of Chidi. Because you know what you will stand to lose if he doesn't marry me, Shebi?
I will not stand to lose anything. Rather, you are the one to lose.
Mama, I'm not losing anything. There is nothing I am losing. In fact, where I will lose something is if I don't end up with Jordan. That is where I will lose everything, including my life. So leave Jordan alone. Yes. I've said it. Leave him alone.
No problem. On a very good day, I will remind this world. Jordan or no Jordan. No problem. Chidi, I told you, Ibe has never ever loved you.
Okay. I will show your mouth. What is all this now? Stop this thing now.
Chidi, you see, from what Ada is saying, I can perceptively perceive and contradictory say she's right. Chidi, reason this thing from a right perception of your brain. Yeah, I can think it. How can a girl who claims to love you just see a teacher, one teacher that just entered below 2 months, beneath 2 months, and fell in love with him? Balukis, Hamapia!
Forget this thing you're saying. From the right sense, you saying just 2 months. 2 months is reason enough for you to understand that now Juju the name here and man. How good the other boy? Where is that guy even from? I'm very much sure that guy is using Juju and Ebube. Because 2 months is too distant for her to be loving and be kissing now.
Buchi, you see, you will forever be my right-hand man.
One time.
Right? Because you are the only person that has sense here after me. After me, you are the only person that has sense in this whole village.
That head is not for nothing.
Think about it now. Think about it. How can Ebube, who used to love me so much, I come and say, who used to have a Kokusige love, Ebube, who loves me so much? Who cares about me so much? Because of this girl.
Imagine.
All of a sudden, she just started loving another man, insulting me, telling me all sorts of things, even disrespecting her mother. You know how respectful this girl used to be. All of a sudden, she just changed.
Akadia.
What we should be thinking about is who is the native doctor that did this thing.
Wake up from your sleep.
Thank you. Tell him.
Okay, let me ask you this question. Have you kissed her before?
Where should I kiss her?
Have you ta-ta-ta with her inside the room before?
Are we married? Are we married? Is it not after marriage?
After marriage,
you will sense.
Of course, now.
Chidi, why can't you see that Ibube, my friend, do not love you?
Ajay.
Why? This is what a woman tells a man she doesn't love or want to sleep with.
Back to him! Hey!
Kenwa. She was so excited because that's one teacher kissed her.
Oh.
She was even angry that he pulled out.
Hey.
In Echia. That means, and she even wanted the happy ending.
Oh! Orianya, that is the happy ending. Yeah, I won't be able to tell it.
You're not saying
No. Start going.
No, I'm trying to tell you.
Pick your phone and go!
Come and be going now, loving her.
Ada, just go.
Start going.
Ada,
It's my friend. I know Ebube.
It's okay. You are
Ada,
now
I'm coming. Just look my own way. No go.
Love it.
Ada,
Ada, the loving her.
Bianna. All I want you both to do now is to look for solution. I need solutions. Solution. I have something in mind now. May the first thing no be not just eating my people with that boy.
I have a solution. Let's go to find the Dibia. Any Dibia who can get our contacts to help us see how we can relieve Ebube from that charm. If you say Juju is there, let's use Dibia. Okay, physical combat because of my eyes.
Before since that time you are scared of fight. Let's go and catch this guy first. Before going to the Dibia.
When you say less is a compromise word, is a general word. Less is for all of us. If you want to go, you say I let me. Don't say less.
Okay now. Oh, but before I look at this boy, I look at this boy.
Imagine it was more than it was almost a missile.
One punch like this. What if this boy? Oh no, what if he fought you normal fighting?
Maybe I would have been gone by now.
I've been disappointed. Very disappointed in you.
No, Buchi, come inside. Let's strategize.
Okay.
You can go.
Go and warm soup. Okay. Why?
It's because you are not there.
Kenneth, did you get safe?
Yes.
Chidi, it's because you are not there. You people keep on saying it's a fool.
Go.
You people keep saying it's a fool. Let me come for the strategizing. Can I?
Ebube, wake up. It's getting late. You have to go home.
I'm not going. I want to stay here.
It's not advisable. Please.
Why? You don't want me here?
That's not it. Your mother doesn't like me. She thinks bad of me. She thinks I'm influencing you, and I don't want to aggravate things.
Forget about my mother, okay? She'll be fine.
You're not listening to me.
Do you love me? Jordan, I'm asking you, do you love me?
Always be.
Yes.
Unless you are mountains, all I can friend.
That's all that matters to me.
Really, I will never fall in love. Never forget you. Your eye, you always be. Your
Like, I don't understand why nobody understands me. Eh? I am not a child. I am an adult who knows what she wants.
Ebube, my friend, I understand you. Yes,
You do?
Yes, I do. You know, well, Chidi came to my house this morning. I had to make him understand that helping you and Mama doesn't mean he will end up marrying you.
Exactly. Exactly my point. This is what I've been trying to explain to Mama, but she will not understand.
Ebube, you need to calm down. I have told him, and I believe he will listen. Okay? And I also told him that your heart belongs to one teacher. So, everything will be fine.
Do you know that I am happy? I am happy that at least one person understands me. Yes. And do you know that last night he told me that he loves me too?
Really? Did you spend a night there? That means you too.
No. This girl, you bad girl. Ada.
We didn't do anything, no. In fact, he said we should not rush it. That he wants everywhere to be calm, especially with Mama. Yeah, he's not happy that I'm fighting with Mama.
He's right. You need to settle up things with Mama. You and Mama have come a long way. Apologize.
I know I was just angry. I was angry at the way she insulted Judah. I didn't like it.
Calm down. See,
no problem. I'll go to the shop and apologize to her.
That is my good friend. The best thing to do. And again, very important, you need to talk to Chidi. Yes, so that he will understand. Settle up things with him for your own good, though.
Is it necessary?
Very necessary.
Yeah. No problem. Oh yeah, now let's go to the shop so we'll apologize to Mama.
I cannot go. I have something to do for Mama.
It's okay now. Okay. Let me go to Mama's shop. I'll see you later.
Okay, then you just see what happened last night. Me, Ada. Okay, I'll make sure I collect Chidi from her.
Mama, good morning. Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
Sorry for which one? For insulting me or having a night with a man that is not your husband?
Mama, for everything. Everything. I shouldn't have spoken to you the way I did. And I shouldn't have slept out because I was angry. So I'm sorry.
Ebube, you think I'm doing what I am doing because of what Shade is doing for me? No, it is because of your future. I don't want you to end up like me. You see, Shade is a girl to take good care of you and your children. The only thing I want from you is respect. Respect him.
Mama, see, Jordan is a graduate though. He's a graduate with a bright future. Shibi, you always tell me that one with education is one with a future.
Not over one that is already living his future.
Ha! Mama, so what about my happiness? Mama, I'm your child though. Your major concern should be my happiness. What makes me happy? Or don't you want me to be happy with the person that I love? Mama, please now. See, Jordan is a very nice man. He's a very nice man if you get to know him. Please, Mama, consider now. Please. I really love him.
Chidi, why do you love me so deeply? Can't you see that I love you? I genuinely love you. Be cool.
See, let me tell you, Ada. The truth is that I do not care about anybody that loves me. I only care about the person I love, and that is Ebube. I care about her so much, and that is it.
This is becoming something else, Mba. Pure juju. Chidi, Ebube do not love you. Can't you see it? I know men to have so much power. They do not tolerate a woman choosing another man over them. Chidi Nesianom, please now. Please.
The truth is that I'm very much in love with Ebube. And I'm not looking elsewhere. So Ebube, we hear Nishi. That is the only thing I can think of.
She's coming.
Ebube is coming to see me. Are you serious?
She's coming to see you, so she will tell you she doesn't love you.
That is a lie. How?
Judy!
She's here. Go, so that she will break your heart, and I will mend it for you.
Judy!
Ebube.
Oh, Chidi.
So you finally came?
Yes. Chidi, I want to apologize for the harsh things I said to you all this while. I'm sorry.
No. I'm forgiving you before the apology said. The most important thing is that you are back to me. You are here to stay. Eh? Yeah, let's go inside.
Chidi, listen. I came here, but not to stay. There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Chidi, you're a good man. In fact, you have a very good heart. I appreciate everything you've been doing for my mother and I. All the registering me for JAMB, buying me clothes, taking care of my needs. I appreciate everything. And I know that God will bless you abundantly. In fact, your pocket will never run dry.
Amen. So what are you saying?
See, I like you. I like you as a friend. But I don't love you with my heart. In fact, I'm in love with Jordan. All of me, everything. I love Jordan so much. And I just want you to know that, and so that you can leave me alone. You have to stop harassing Jordan. Stop harassing him because of me, please. I love Jordan. I love him with all my heart. In fact, all of me belongs to him.
Wait, Ebube. So you came all the way to my house to tell me this? To tell me how much you love another man after everything we've been through?
Yes, Chidi. So that you will stop fighting him. Because no matter how much you fight him, I am never loving him less. I will continue to love him. In fact, my love for him will increase. So stop fighting him. That's what I came to tell you. Have a nice day.
I told you. Didn't I tell you? I love Ebube. I want to marry Ebube. Ebube said I should wait. I don't want to kiss Ebube now. She is my wife. Nakuya. Chidi, you see? I love you. But you don't just want to look my way. Kenye Ebube where I do not have. I have everything. What to topo. Look at me now. Eh? Begging you, people. Please. My God. Please. Chidi, please. I love you so much. Hey.
Be careful, though. This thing is very sharp.
It's okay, dear. I'm used to it. That reminds you. You spoke with him, right?
Yes, Mama, I did.
So, what is his reaction?
He didn't say anything, no, but I'm sure he understood everything I said.
I hope he did. Ebube, that's my teacher. Where is he from?
He's from Kaduna.
Eh? Hi, no. It's too far.
Kaduna.
Kaduna is too far.
Mama, Kaduna is in Nigeria now. I'm not traveling outside Nigeria. We are still in Nigeria.
Ha. Ebube, I know. But if he marry you and take you out of this land, how will I be talking to you? I mean, how will I be seeing you?
Mama, don't worry. Hey, don't worry. I'm not going. In fact, I spoke with him, and he said that we are not leaving. That we are going to settle and establish here. That man loves me. Oh. He really, really loves me.
It's okay. In that case, tell him to come with his kinsmen and take the list.
Mama, are you serious? Hey, Mama, thank you. Hey, God bless you. You don't know what you've done for me. In fact, let me rush and tell you. You'll be so happy.
Mama. Sometimes it is good to give our children chance to embrace their joy. This is her joy. This is her happiness.
Jordan!
Jactashi. Ava. The last time we met, he copied Manya Kebe. Today, eh? The man will chance.
What is the meaning of this?
You have to follow us right now if you know you want to see your girlfriend in the next 1 hour. If you know you want to see her alive, just better follow us. I'm not joking.
Where is it?
You will get the answer to this question by the time you follow me to where I'm directing you to. Else, she's gone.
Yeah, you the beggar. Okay, move it. Move it. This time around. No, I'm under Obuadana. Okay, go this way. Move into the bush. Nanga. Move it now. You want to fight, right? The president.
One Mogu. You thought you are untouchable, Abi? You thought you are untouchable. No be you be this now. No be you go down. No be you go down now. No be you go down now. Huh? Mugu. You think said they know they touch you? No, you came all the way from your place to this village. Amongst all the girls in this village, you know, see the one where they enter your eye and my God.
Ebube. A little
girl have been nursing for how many years? This girl have been spending after all my expenses. You enter here, one teacher. One teacher. Now my girl be the girl where enter your eye. You open eye like the open hand. Bawa magana one chekuberopi.
Oh. Imagine
for what? Now this girl you put eye. But I don't put eye on you now.
You get challenging spirit.
You say I should put eye on that girl. I got my eyes on you now. Mugu.
Let me go.
Is it?
Let me go.
You mad? Mad. Think this is your father's house where you make others. Go and punish you.
Let me go.
You don't mad?
For your own good.
For your own good, yeah. No! No, this is not this to me.
Only this one way.
Don't go and meet everybody. This guy won 44 kg mula of Obo. Everywhere, bro.
If you know as the boy slap you, slap him back. Oh! I love that. That's the feeling. If they enter your body now, Abi, use the anger where I get for my mind. The whole things where you don't do for my girl. Gather them, join and the slap where you slap you and the punch where you give them back. Roll.
What is about to come? It's coming.
Roll. Suwara me auntie. Go feel here.
Good water. Go.
It's okay. It's okay. How do you feel now? You feel good, Abi? You feel good, Abi? Think we are joking? You think we are joking here? I told you I would deal with you. You thought I was just playing. I was just blabbing. Atara me where?
Oh, more this one, chara. Bless, I'll go market this one.
They use muscle today. They tamper us. Look at your muscle. You get the mind. Punch me.
Not be by muscle now.
Keep warm. Look at.
Oh, I have phone there.
Table infinite.
You get eye now, not be iPhone.
Viva phone.
Oh, Viva phone.
It's just.
Listen,
iPhone. Call as enter. See, call don't enter.
Yeah.
EB Love.
Yeah, baby.
Who is EB Love if he's not a baby?
Yeah.
EB Love.
Yeah, baby.
For that reason, Suwara Munyanya.
Come put to Kwakebe.
I can put you.
They say this guy get challenging spirit. They challenge.
Okay. Listen, let me tell you something. You see that day that you punched me was the beginning of your downfall. 40 kg. You working on your camera.
This guy croquet bobo.
Did you see him?
No, I didn't see him. His door is still locked and now his phone is off. I even went to the principal's house, but she said he didn't come to school today.
Maybe he is trying to clear his head.
You think so?
Yeah. Men are usually like that. When they have something serious bothering them, they will go into their shell, stay alone for a while, just to clear their head. I'm sure he will show up.
Alright. I hope so. Alright, Mama. Good night.
Good night.
Chidi! Chidi! What call Mama? Chidi! Chidi! Good man! Chidi!
What is it?
Chidi!
I'm fine, no. How you doing? I was about coming to your house.
I thought you just left Chidi's place.
Yes, Chidi. Yes. You know, Chidi called me. And he complained about so many things. Ebube, please. Consider now.
Consider what?
He said you left him for one teacher. He's not happy.
But I've explained to Chidi already now. And I thought he understood.
It's very obvious. He's pretending.
Now I'm worried though. I'm worried.
Why?
Because I've not seen Jordan after I left his house yesterday morning. I've been to his house several times. Now his phone is off. Is Chidi in the house?
Yes. Yes.
So where are you going?
I'm going to Mama's shop. I need to help her with something. Ngwano.
Ada, come back. Whose phone is that? Yeah?
It's my phone. My boyfriend bought it for me.
Your phone? Your boyfriend bought you a phone and I don't know about it. Let me see.
How would you know?
Ada, let me see the phone. Why are you hiding it now? Give me. See, let me warn you. If you move another step, I promise you that in the next 20 minutes, I will bring all the police in this community to your house. Let me see that phone. Give me. I'll see some. Chineke. Ada, this is Jonah's phone. What are you doing with Jonah's phone? Ada, where is my man?
He's not me. I don't know anything about your man. I saw this phone in Chidi's room. I was even surprised. I wanted to show you.
Wait, you saw this phone in Chidi's house? Let's go. Ada, see, if you move another inch, you know me now. You know what I can do. You know what I can do, ba? Let's go. Let's go.
I don't know why you are dragging me.
Tell me why. Why Jordan's phone is in Chidi's house? Chidi!
Chidi, come out of this house!
Yeah.
Oh, you're there. Chidi, what is Jordan's phone doing in your house? Eh?
Who is Jordan?
Don't act dumb with me. You know who I'm talking about. What is his phone doing in your house?
Madam, I don't know who is Jordan. The only Jordan I know is Michael Jordan, the basketballer. Unless you want to go to River Jordan and bath.
Eh? Okay, you don't know what I'm talking about now, eh? Ada, come here. Where did you say you brought out this phone from? Ada, I swear if I ask you again, where did you bring this phone from?
I don't know. Why are you shouting now? I don't know. Stop shouting at myself as if I'm a child. I don't know.
You don't know? Did you tell me that you found this phone in Chidi's house? Eh? Were you not the one that gave me this phone?
No.
Oh, so now you don't know?
Why are you lying now?
Okay, you're denying it now because you see Chidi. Eh? Ada, is that what you're doing now?
It's not true.
What is not true? Is it not from your hand I took this phone from? So why are you lying? Chidi, answer me. What is Jordan's phone doing in your house?
So you people did not conclude before coming to this place. You don't know where you picked the phone. And she says she's not the one that gave you the phone.
Chidi, please, I don't have time, for all this rubbish. Tell me, where is Jordan? Where did you keep him?
Who is Jordan?
If you ask me that stupid question again, Chidi, if you ask me that stupid question again, you will not like what I'll do.
Do you know you are very shameless? You are completely shameless. So you walked from your house down to this place just to ask me about whoever, what nonsense Jordan are you talking about? That idiot is what you came here to ask me about. You are very shameless, so you don't have shame at all.
You uncle. Are you not shameless? Are you not shameless?
Both of you can leave this place now.
Chidi, where is Jordan? Where is Jordan? Where are you keeping? Chidi! Chidi, where is Jordan? What is this phone doing in your house?
You are pushing me. You are pushing me. You are pushing me.
Don't worry. I will come back.
Handele! Come on, handele also. Handele! Handele from here. Come back here and talk rubbish. You think I'm joking with you? Jesus. Hey. So this guy came to this place and took this phone. That's trouble. Where are you guys coming from?
Okay, we'll go chop akara and small up. We just want
You go chop akara?
Small up.
And who is taking care of that boy?
No, really Jago.
He's safe there now.
How can both of you just leave him and go like that?
No, trust me.
He's safe.
I tied him well.
Okay.
I tied him.
There's a problem.
Problem.
Ada came to my place and stole his phone.
Jordan phone.
Only for Ibube to see the phone with her.
Hey, imagine.
She's ranting, asking me about this guy.
And this is the phone I would have sold and I shared today.
Are you okay? Come on, shut up there. What's wrong with you?
Judas is carrot. Everything is sell. That's what you said, Jesus.
Listen to me. Yeah? We have to move this guy from that particular place now.
Very important.
This boy now, let us take him deeper into the bush.
Very important.
He can't be around the house again.
Okay.
Let's take him.
We need to hurry. Let's go.
Easy.
You are very stupid for asking such nonsense question. What do you mean by where is he?
We were here with him.
Not we were here. Not we were. You know. So the thing is that he was here. So we said let us get akara and obelo for Toto. I don't know.
See, let me tell you.
So
did I not want you both not to leave this guy? Did I not want both of you not to leave this guy?
I want him. I told you, stay. Let me go after my turn by turn.
But why didn't you force me?
How can I force you? Can't you see how short you are with black head and I force her?
Hey, listen to me. To God who made me. Actually, this guy, if we look for this guy and we didn't see him, they will look for both of you and they will not see you.
No, not
you will get lost and nobody never
not
to
both
be found.
of him.
Please don't never reach that one, no worry.
You don't pass him.
Oh yeah.
We'll go catch him. No worry.
You.
Let's go after him.
Not let's go. Go your own.
Tell this boy Go.
The night is quiet, the heart is heavy.
It's a long story, but I'm fine.
I've been so worried. Look, I found your phone with Ada.
Your friend?
Yes. She said she saw it at Chidi's place. But when I took her there, she denied even saying anything.
I have been looking for this since yesterday.
I'm sure it's Chidi that stole it. But don't worry, I got it back for you.
Thank you.
You look very tired.
Yeah, I want to shower. I'm very tired.
Oh heart, why do you forget the one who stood beside your storm is the one you left in pain.
What do we do now?
You are very, very stupid for asking me that question. You are very mad. You are mad.
I just
Shut up. What do we do now? Like you don't know. You don't know when everything
Owen
goes.
came. You just support everything.
You see what you want to cause now. You see Amabi. You see Amabi.
Mainly him. Mainly him.
You see what you want to cause now. You see Amabi.
Confirm.
You see Amabi. You see Amabi. Let's go first. No, they go first. You see what you cause now.
No, wait. Now, no, there's still another day for the whole sticker.
Oh heart, why do you forget the hands that built your tomorrow are the hands you left in tears. Mother spoke with gentle voice.
Chineke. Bros. Waiting carry you come near my piggery. What are you doing here?
There is a saying that a fly that does not heed to advice will follow the corpse to the grave.
So waiting they bring those kind of old nonsense proverb. You carry proverb where we don't hear for how many years. You come near my piggery, they talk rubbish. What's the meaning of that? If you be fly and you want to enter the grave, I hold you. You enter grave now, and because as I see you will soon enter grave because the lane you are going to must lead you to the grave.
This is the last time I will talk to you like this. I have a wedding to prepare for. Focus on your pigs and leave my woman and I alone.
You have serious mental problem. To God who made me, you have serious mental problem. You and who is doing that one? You have a wedding to plan with my girl. And you have the guts to come and stand here and be telling me to go there. If not for this, my pigs that are hungry now, if not that my pigs are crying, I would have used this time now to beat you. Meanwhile, fight self is good when two men are alone. What happened?
I will not warn you.
Come on for here, you be mugu. You and who is doing that one? The guy will beat you, As I leave you now, they beat you like say me and you, they play abi. The guy will beat you, go beat you like him.
Are you talking to me? Say one more word again. Say another word again.
Make I focus on my pigs first. Don't be sad, they tell you. I'm not they tell you. My
eyes is some good things. So that's right. What a beautiful dance.
Thank you.
My in-laws.
Mama.
Sorry for the delay, oh. Her uncle will soon be here. He's here already. No, I know.
Martins!
Ah! No! Chineke!
You all know Choma, my daughter, who's married and can marry. Martins is her landlord. And he was involved in an accident that claimed his life just a few months ago.
Hey!
And I was right there in Kaduna when it happened.
Hey! Let me get it well. What you are saying is that one teacher that is cutting my daughter, the same one teacher that came here with his uncle to take list for her diary, is a ghost.
How is that a question? You saw it with your eyes that he disappeared the moment his real name was mentioned.
I saw.
You're welcome.
I saw it too.
Where did you see that young man that you came here with?
I met him online and even told me that he's an orphan. That he needed someone to stand with him as a family member. He even offered me 200,000 naira.
Eh? Onye ginala?
Mbukwan.
Hey! I warned you.
Ebube.
Jordan, why? Why did you do this to me?
I am sorry, my love.
Don't call me your love. Don't. Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me that you're a ghost all this while? Why did you say something to me?
How was I supposed to tell you? Would you have stayed if I told you I was a dead man looking for true love? Of course not. I had everything. I had wealth, family, friends, everything except love. All the women that came into my life was because of money. Until I met Jennifer and decided to marry her because she was decent. She tampered with my brakes. And that was how I lost my life. I watched them shed crocodile tears. But at the back of their minds, they couldn't wait to share my properties amongst themselves. I realized I could stay when I found out that I could be here a little bit longer. I said to myself, I will find that one thing I never had, which is true love. Ebube, you showed me so much love in a month that can last me 1,000,000 years. Thank you. I would go now and rest. I'll see you when I see you. And Chidi, he loves you so much.
No. No. Oh, please. I don't want Chidi. I don't want him. It's you. It's you that I want. It's you that I love. Please. Please. Jordan. Jordan. Jordan, please. Please, it's you that I want. It's you Please come back. I don't want Chidi. I don't want him. I don't want him. It's you.
Child, choose the heart that truly stays. Beauty fades and time will pass, but true love never walks away.
Oh, destiny, hear this cry. A faithful heart was left behind. The love that waited through the storm now fades into the silent night. The heart that loved still waits.
Hey! Tino, sempele, kwa, sekese, kwa. Itempe, kwa, sekese, kwa, nkote. Ida! Hey!
Kenneth, what is it? Please, I don't have time for this now.
Wait!
Just carry this your nonsense dance and leave this place.
Tino, you are here mourning. So you've not heard of the news that the whole world is suffering about her failure.
See, I don't have time for this thing, please. As you can see, I'm having very bad mood now. I'm in a very bad mood. I'm having temper issues.
Temperamental issue. Chidi, you've not heard what happened.
What happened?
You not heard? Hey! The idiot man that came and took your baby away from you is a ghost. Who
is a ghost?
You have not heard. What teacher now? What teacher is a ghost that died somewhere last 2 months in Kaduna of accident? I don't know if it was a car accident or gas accident, but there was accident initiated. Oh yes.
Who is giving you this kind of fake news? Who is giving you this fake news? See, I don't have strength for this kind of nonsense talk now. Allow me, please. Let me be. This is my moment. Let me be.
Hey, yeah, you are mourning. One no more. See, one no more. The Lord has fought your battle. Listen, the guy disappeared in front of everyone yesterday when he went to do introduction of Manyan. One elder of those people recognized him and called him by his biological name, Nuga Kaduna. He called him Hassan Abdullahi. But there is a Dedia. I swear he disappeared. Boom! Another Silianu. He turned into a widow. A widower.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you honestly. A widower. Sorry, widow. Honestly. No wonder why how the guy was able to unrope himself that day with tidy him now. The disappearing, link the upper, link so many things you could be able to take.
It's true. He disappeared that day.
It was a disappearing form. He disappeared that day.
The day he held me.
Okay, you. In Abu. Even the day I shake him, the day they were eating. Oh, did them? I don't even have vibrating. Is that holding? Or how much did them? I'll come up on one money.
This one going to.
Chidi, my love, welcome.
So, what is wrong with you? See, I don't have time for this nonsense. So,
Chidi, I love you so much. Why can't you just see it?
What is your problem? Ada, are you not tired of this nonsense? Do you know you're a very bad person? You're a very, very bad person. All your life, the only thing you know is just how to destroy your friend's relationship, setting your friend up and down, causing trouble here and there. And you think me, I will see the whole betrayers and I will love you. How? Don't you know that the way you betray your friend is the way I think you will betray me one day?
I betrayed my friend.
You've been betraying your friend up and down and you think me will come and have anything to do with you.
Because I love you, Chidi. Because I love you. Eh? So many men want me in this community. But I said no. I still stick to you.
So many men want you because you are every man's woman.
Okay.
Oh, Kreka, wake up. Is people honor like this? Everybody are now. Cheap articles attract plenty people.
Okay, yeah, man.
If you have quality, people will not be rushing you like that. What are you saying?
Kenneth.
My baby. Sorry, man.
Who will want to be doing something with a woman who is sleeping with a ghost? Onye?
No. It is me. I am that man who will do something with a woman that has slept or will want to sleep with a ghost. We are not even sure if the person is sleeping with the ghost or not. You are just gazing. Let me not tell you. You see this moment, this point, and time. This is when Ebube needs me the most.
Yeah.
Yes. I am going to be there for her. I'm going to take care of her. It is time for me to now show the real man in me. I am going to be that man that she has missed. I am going to console her, embrace her, be there for her.
Hey, after everything, after everything she has done to you.
I'm going there, let me go.
Okay, no, so Badro, be consoling, let me be here consoling that we are two consolidators. Let me tell you something. When one door closes, another opens.
Hey.
Leave Chidi. Nemo. Adawelemo. Adawere mi hedema.
The world no balance. How will I want Chidi? And Chidi is busy dying for Ebube. Then Ebube, my wicked friend, dying for one teacher. Oburuzi Horiho. Big goats. Kenneth dying for me. Hi!
Ada, you are mad.
My Ebube. My love. I'm sorry for everything. Please. I promise to always be here for you. Okay? I'll be here. I'll make sure I take care of you. I'll make sure you heal perfectly. Okay? Don't worry. Okay? Come.
Where are you going?
I am leaving your house.
Leaving my house? Why? But you're my wife-to-be. This is your house as well.
Thank goodness you said wife-to-be. I am not yet your wife.
What's wrong with you now? What's going on?
Donald.
Yeah?
What kind of human being are you? Your father is lying critically ill at the hospital, yet you did nothing. You left him for a total stranger. Where is your conscience?
I don't understand. My father. Can't you just focus on me?
Focus on you.
Why do you have to talk about my father every time? What makes you think he's my father?
Donald.
Yeah?
Who really are you? Listen, you better sort things out with your father, else this relationship is over.
Chum, are you threatening me? What are you doing? You're threatening to leave the relationship.
I'm telling you the facts. I am leaving you already if you don't sort this out with your father.
Listen, my father. What? I don't understand. Can't you just focus on me and leave that old man?
Why are you so... Do you want to sleep with my father? Are you in love with my father? No, you have a lot of questions to answer. Are you in love with my father? Why can't you just focus on the man who's in love with you and let us move on with our lives? Why are you so crazy about the old man?
Donald, you don't even have a conscience.
I don't have conscience.
What does this mean?
Have you ever asked me, Donald, what exactly is wrong between you two? Have you asked that question? Or you think I just suddenly became numb towards him, right?
We're talking about a dying man here.
A dying man.
Donald, life first.
Life first. When I was dying, did he give me life? Listen, are you aware there's a history between two of us?